right, so we're going to play word games again today. First thing I want you to do is thumbs up or thumbs down if the words rhyme. You ready? Climate colder. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs down. That's right. Okay, next one. Hurry, flurry. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Big thumbs up. Next one. Colder, bolder. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Perfect. Let's move on to the next one. We are going to chop and blend syllables. Ready? Okay, first word. Concert. 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 Next. Platform. You ready? Platform. Platform. Good job. Next one. Creation. Ready? Creation. Creation. And last one. Celebrate. 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 Good job. Okay, next, what you're going to do is come up with the end sound for these two words. Ready? Explain pattern. Explain pattern. And the end sound is n. Ready? Next one, recent, complete. Recent and complete. What is the end sound for those words? Good job. Last one, traffic, plastic. Traffic and plastic. End sound is k. Good job. We are on page 2. Right now we are going to do the chopping of syllables and not blending. Okay, first word is director. You ready? Director. Next one, massive. Ready? Massive. Last one, within. Within. Good job. Now we're going to add sounds to words. Ready? Any, add p, penny. Izzard, add ol, lizard. And older, add ka, colder. Last one, unny, add s, sunny. Now we're going to take sounds away. Ready? Leader, without o, is eater. And power, without p, is hour. And color, without k, is uller. And teacher, without t, is eacher. Last one, sunny, without s, is unny. And you are now on the last page. You ready? Okay, we're going to be switching it up like this. So, born, change or to r, barn. Cat, change a to ah, and it is caught. Dart, change r to dirt. And beads, change e to birds. Kite, change I to R, cart. Last one, height, change I to oo, hoot. Good job. Now we are doing our cards. Ready? Letters are letters are U and O. Sound is ow, like house. Letters are A and U. Sound is aw, like autumn leaves. Letters are O and W. Sound is ow, like owl. Letters are O and Y. Sound is oi, like cowboy. Letters are O and I. Sound is oi, like coins. Letters are A and W. Sound is aw, like yawn. Letters are O and O. Sound is oo, like rooster. Letters are O and O. Sound is like book. Two sounds for that. Letters are E and R. Sound is like clover. Letters are O and R. Sound is like orange. Letters are A and R. Sound is R like car. Letter is I and R. Sound is like bird. Letters are U and R. Sound is like purple. Letter is I. Sound is and I. And letter is Y. Sound is I. Ta-da! Good job, guys.